Hello, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to recover an email account. So if for any reason maybe you change your device and you're not able to get your email back and you forgot the email name, this is what you have to do in order to recover your email account. So right here, you just click at the top right corner icon. So right here, the next thing you have to do is to click on add an account. So from here, you click on Google. So you are going to type in your password for opening your phone. So right here, all you have to do is to click on forgotten email. The next step you have to take here is to enter a phone number or a recovery email. Since you don't remember the other email account, you can just type in a recovery email account. That means account that you want to replace that one. Now you're going to enter your name and click next. So from here, the next thing you have to do is to click on send. So a code will be sent to this email that you just confirm that it's yours. This is your recovery email. All you have to do is to paste the code. So right here, all you have to do is to copy the code, head straight and paste it back. So after entering the code sent to you, the next thing you have to do here is to click on the next option, and you just have to sign in. So right here, you just have to click on the account you want to sign into, and now it's going to take a few times to just verify. Now you enter your login pin to your device and allow it to you agree, and it's going to open immediately. So you just have to complete few things like entering your home address and click on save. As you can see, I was able to log in back to my device, my email account, using the recovery method. So I was able to recover my email. So guys, that is it on how to recover your email account. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. And always remember, this video is basically for educational purpose. Thanks for watching.